Hey, good day, friends. Today I'm out in the yard and I have our rabbit hutch behind us. You can see the little bunnies in there. As growing up, I've always loved animals, but when me and my husband decided to really get into homestead and kind of like farming, we did studies on how the rabbit's poop is very, very beneficial for the yard. The rabbit's poop can be applied basically as soon as they drop it. I know chickens, it takes like a year to break down, and so you can burn your plants if you use a lot of fresh chicken droppings on your plants. But with the rabbits, that's a totally different story because the way the system dissolves it, can be used right away. So we got a couple bunnies, and as you can see, they've had babies. I have about she had 5 babies, so we have 7 rabbits now. And they love mulberry leaves. We have a big shaded fruitless mulberry tree. So I'm constantly cutting it back, but the rabbits love it, so we constantly give them the fruit, the mulberry leaves, along with alfalfa, hay. But researching the animals' manure and guano, rabbits were actually on the top of the list. I think out of all the animals that we researched, rabbits were right below bat guano. Bat was the top, very high in nitrogen, and the rabbits came, I believe, like right below the bats. I think they were like number 5. I have to actually look at it again, but it was like they had cows, and then it was like chickens, goats or something like that, and then it was rabbits, and then it was like bat. So rabbits are very high on the list when it comes to very good nitrogen for the plants. And you see they're vegans. They're loving the little mulberry leaves right now. Hi guys. So I recommend getting some rabbits and using their little bunny droppings on your plants. What we do, we have certain fertilizers that we make, liquid fertilizers, and sometimes we apply the poop right away. Just scoop it up and kind of drop it on, on the fruit trees, or we might mix it up with our solution, which is blended with other vitamins and minerals. Actually, you can find it on our website. We have one. It's actually called Cannabis Moringa fertilizer, and it has a blend of a lot of very, very beneficial nutrients. That's Mama right here. Hey, Mama. They're so cute to watch, and they're one of the most calm and peaceful animals that you can have. They just like to, as long as you have food for them all day to munch, they will be great. Hi, Mama. I got Daddy over here. If you can see Daddy, he's laying under his little hutch. He likes to flip over a lot. I like to let him bore, but they just have a problem trying to get into the neighbor's yard. So we're trying to make a way where they can still have a little tunnel going in the ground, because that's the rabbit's natural habitat, is to be underground. And it's very beneficial when it's summertime and it gets really hot, or if it's winter and it rains and stuff like that. They can bore under the ground and you won't have any problems. But you can run into some problems if you keep them out and don't have enough ice water around. If it gets too hot, or if it's winter and they get wet, they can get hypothermic. They can get that real good hypothermia. and they can pass away really fast. So you want to watch that kind of stuff when you're raising rabbits.